My name is Joseph McDaniel, and I'm an Arizona bankruptcy attorney, and since 2005, I also got to tell you that I'm a debt relief agency, and I help people and businesses file for bankruptcy. Today's topic is when the U.S. Trustee's office strikes. Dun, 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 dun. Maybe because it's monsoon season and the barometric pressure and humidity are wacky, but we've been getting a lot of phone calls recently from people who have cases that are subject to dismissal by the U.S. Trustee's office for substantial abuse of the bankruptcy process. Now, that makes it sound as though the poor devils are close relatives of John Dillinger, but it's not like that. It's more like they flunked the means test by $5 a month or 50 cents a month. Either way, they now get to communicate with the lawyer who filed the pleadings to dismiss the case, and they get to try to explain why their case shouldn't be dismissed, which is not an easy pitch for a non-lawyer to make to a lawyer, or they get to try to convert their case to one under Chapter 13 with a 5-year payment plan, or they get to appear in court against an experienced lawyer who's representing the U.S. Trustee's office, who goes to court on these issues several times a month. Those are not a lot of fun choices. Previously, I told my telephone guys that I didn't want to waste time with people who had already messed up their cases, especially if they had had the bad judgment to file without an attorney, because frankly, that's just a bad idea, you know? Right now, I've changed my mind. At this point, my plan is to set folks like that up for a quick phone call and see if there's a way I can easily fix their problem, or in the alternative, send them to a different bankruptcy attorney in Arizona who's a better fit if I'm the wrong tool for the job. But 3 of them in one day? What are the odds? Thank you very much.